Want to pay little to no income tax while your rental properties throw off cash flow?
What?
It's not magic, it's smart real estate and DSCR loans leverage. Stay with me, and in the next few minutes, you are going to discover how savvy depreciation strategies and creative financing can legally slash your taxable income while still delivering monthly returns. Stick around because I will reveal a DSCR hack that can boost your cash flow and cut your taxes. Section 1, depreciation. Your investor goldmine. Depreciation is your ticket to legally reporting a loss without sacrificing cash flow.
So good.
You deduct the building's decline in value over time, not the land. Residential properties are depreciated over 27.5 years. Commercial buildings over 39 years. But here is the secret. Accelerate depreciation. And you can show a tax loss while tenants keep paying you rent.
That was awesome.
Section number 2, how to accelerate depreciation. First bonus, depreciation. As of 2024, you can deduct 60% of eligible property costs up front. In 2025, that drops to 40%. By 2026, it phased out completely. If you are outfitting or buying income properties, now is the time to act.
Let's get to work.
Yeah. Second, cost segregation studies. This breaks down a property into components like flooring, wiring, and landscaping. Some of these can be depreciated in 5, 7, or 15 years instead of decades. I have seen investors spend $10,000 on a study and save over $1 million in taxes.
Nice.
Here in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, or anywhere nationwide, this works. Allocate construction costs smartly. Grab depreciation early and shield your income. Section 3, turning passive losses into active income. Normally, real estate losses sit in the passive bucket. They can offset up to $25,000 of income if your adjusted gross income is under $150,000. But there are two ways to move those passive losses into the active bucket, where they can offset W-2 or 1099 income. One way is qualifying as a real estate professional. That means more than 750 hours per year actively managing your portfolio. The other way is operating short-term rentals. If the average stay is 7 days or less, those rentals count as active income. And the kicker, you might only need to spend around 100 hours a year managing them, but still qualifying for the full benefit.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Section number 4, real world samples. Let's say you buy a 4-unit residential building here in Westchester, New York with a DSCR loan. You take 60% bonus depreciation this year and run a cost segregation study to accelerate fixtures. On paper, your tax returns might show a rental loss. In reality, your tenants are still paying you every single month. That loss can offset your business income or even your W-2 job if you qualify as a real estate professional or run short-term rentals. Section number 5, why DSCR loans are perfect partners. Here is why. DSCR loans work beautifully with tax strategies. Lenders don't care what your tax return says. They care if the property covers its debt.
Oh, okay.
So even if depreciation pushes you into a tax loss, DSCR financing still looks at the property cash flow. That is how you win twice: tax benefits and financing power. Section number 6, cautions and best practices. Document your hours, whether you are tracking property management, repairs, or calls. Work with a CPA experienced in cost segregation, bonus depreciation, and passive activity loss rules. Remember, depreciation recapture when you sell and use 1031 exchanges to defer those taxes. And if you're investing in high income states like New York, New Jersey, or Connecticut, depreciation becomes even more valuable. If you are getting value from this so far, hit the like button. It really helps this channel reach more investors who want real estate strategies that work. So that is how depreciation, cost segregation, short-term rentals, and DSCR loans can give you both cash flow and tax advantages. If you're ready to take the next step or just need help figuring out the smartest financing for your next deal, call or text me at 914-334-0920. I will help you turn today's challenges into tomorrow's cash flow with smart DSCR loan strategies.
If you want to learn how to use financing to grow your portfolio, check out my DSCR loan tips and tricks playlist. Inside, you'll find powerful strategies, lender insights, and real-world tips to help you close more deals and maximize your cash flow.